In this video, we will look at the AWS certification preparation for data and analytics specialty. So now this is a very short video where I'll explain what are the topics that is needed to be covered and what are the tools under those topics. So what I would recommend is if you have already completed first two certifications, that is cloud practitioner and uh, associate solution architect, then this one would be relatively easier, more understandable. But there is no need that you should directly when you should go through that sequence. You can directly appear for this exam also. Now let's look at the topics. So if you go to the Amazon website and if you search for the exam guide, you will see these topics mentioned like data collection, storage and management, etc. But the tools have not been mentioned. So what I have done is I have gone through different websites and I've tried to understand what are the tools that comes in scope. And from an exam preparation perspective, these will be very handy for you guys. So let's look at the high level topics. There are basically 5 topics: data collection, storage and management, processing, analysis and visualization, and security. Now, data collection is all about collecting the data. So, a lot of middleware applications like Kinesis is in scope. Kinesis has different levels, different products, Kinesis producers, consumers, etc. That is all in scope. SQS is in scope. That is also a queuing system. IoT is in scope because IoT is used for Internet of Things and sensors to send sensor data, etc. DMS is a data migration service that is in scope. Direct Connect, Snowball, and Apache Kafka. These are in scope. Around the storage and management, S3 and DynamoDB, that is majorly covered. On S3, even if you have appeared for solution architect exam, you must have gone in depth with S3. So the same principles will be useful here. DynamoDB, this exam covers DynamoDB in depth actually. So we have to go to a very good level of depth here. Processing, again, Lambda, Glue, EMR, Spark, Hive. Now on Lambda and Glue, you have to go to depth, and EMR, Spark, Hive, etc. These are just at an interpretatory level. They do not go to the depth here. Around analysis and visualization, Kinesis Analytics in depth, Elasticsearch in depth, Athena, Redshift. Redshift is purely in depth. You have to go very deep in Redshift. Then RDS Aurora, I would say at a mid level, you have to know that. QuickSight in depth. Then there are other visualization tools like high charts and D3, which is very minimal. If you want, you can do it. From a comprehensive study perspective, you should do it. And on security, this is all in depth on encryption, KMS, HSM, identity federation, cloud trail policies, VPC endpoints. These are all in depth. So KMS is the key management system. HSM is, this is through hardware. You can use the keys to encrypt your data. Identity federation through services like Cognito, and you should also know AWS organization to manage your accounts. And cloud trail and policy building, VPC endpoints, like you how do you communicate from one VPC to other VPC endpoints, one service like Kinesis writing to another service in a VPC. So how do you do that? Those all things are important here. So that's it for this video. What I would recommend is please watch my the next video that I'm releasing, that is in depth on Kinesis data firehose. I'll be taking one topic at a time and elaborating that in depth. Those videos will cover everything that is needed to study for the exam. You should I mean, there is no need to study anything else apart from what I am showing. Those are very comprehensive. There, please refer my videos. Those are very comprehensive. Thank you for your time, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.